Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and if you drop your phone all the time like I do, you're going to want to get yourself a protective case. And if your phone is really the only thing that comes with you everywhere you go, you're going to want this one, because you can put cards in it. This slotted case holds up to 2 cards. I like to use this all the time. Everywhere I go, I always have my phone. So it just makes sense that I would have a case with my cards. There's other cases where the cards kind of fold over in a wallet, but I really like this one for its slide feature. Now, as you can see, the slide is still pretty snug. It's not just going to slide off of there really easily. You do have to give it a little bit of a force, so you know that your cards aren't just going to fall out randomly. The buttons on this are really well placed. You don't have to put a lot of pressure into pressing the buttons. I hate cases that are just so hard to press the buttons. This is not the case with this. The buttons are all raised and very easy to press. This material up here helps to keep it from slipping. And the case is shock absorbing. So when I tell you I drop my phone all the time, this keeps it protected. Because these edges are raised up over the phone, those are what hit the ground first, not my glass. So I've got it protected in a screen protector, but I also have it protected with this case. I have been brand loyal to Spigen for the past few years, and I will continue to be, because this is just such an awesome phone case. And that is my point of view.